Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be doing is I'll be going over how to disable plugins through cPanel, so let's get right into it without any further ado. Now, the main reason you might want to disable some plugins are usually some faulty updates. When you're accessing your dashboard, either through WordPress or any other services through which you use cPanel, you might get an error when trying to log in due to either a faulty cache, faulty updates, certain plugins which are out of date, or just plugins which have faulty updates which do not want to work properly. Or maybe some conflicts might arise which you might want to fix, so you might want to disable some certain plugins. Now, you can do this either through cPanel or FTP. I'll just be going over these steps for cPanel. However, you can just go to this site and look at this article. This is a Seek-a-Host article, which I'll be using to explain this to you guys, since it's by far the clearest and shortest tutorial which I have found on the internet. As I said, if you have any other issues, please refer to this I guess you could say website or this article, yeah, and everything should be made clear. But yeah, to disable plugins through cPanel, it is quite an easy and short process. What you want to do is first, of course, you must have cPanel access to make these changes, which means you must have a renewed monthly subscription, and you need to have an account which has access to the administrator privileges to make the changes. Then you want to log into your cPanel dashboard, and once you're there, you want to locate the File Manager tab. Once you're here, go to public_HTML, go to WP content or WordPress content, and then to plugin. To disable the plugin, you must select the folder with the plugin name and just rename it as disable or some other words. Just pretty much change the name so that it cannot register that plugin, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.